Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the monthly chart of Allied Healthcare products. Now there is a very big trend in between which the stock is moving, and if you want to understand what lies behind the trend, probably this is what we are going to discuss as far as the long-term chart is concerned. But let's discuss what is actually going here right now. Now, looking at the trend, we have two important levels to look at. Now, I have to explain the entire trend to you so that I can discuss what actually lies beyond the trend. So, you have 1.212 and 0.96, the lower end of the range. Now, as far as the immediate price action is concerned, you have 4.85 and you have 3.74 or 75, right? So primarily don't go below 3.74 as consider this as your stop loss, because we have lots of important levels beyond 3.74, and 3.74 is not actually a breakdown. But if you are looking at the support levels beyond 3.74, which is 2.3, then the lowest range we have here 1.2 and 0.96. So percentage wise, it's going to be a big fall. So that's why I'm saying don't go below 3.74. Now, as far as the upper side of the range is concerned, right? As far as the upper side of the range is concerned, what you have here are these two levels, and you can actually remove it, right? So it is up to you whether you want to keep it or remove it, but if you want, you can remove it. So the upper side of the range is 16.7 and $20. Now what we have seen here is a sharp breakout beyond $20 in the in December. It is in January 2020. Then the stock kept on falling, and it's inside the range right now. It's inside the big range. But the good thing is it is at the upper end of the range. Okay, so the stock is trading at the upper end of the range, in which case we have two specific targets to look at: 16.7 and $20. But if you are looking at the overall range, and let me tell you, we have around 28 years worth of data. So 1992 till date, 28 or 29 years worth of data. So if you are looking at the entire chart, what you can see is a trend which looks like a W, which means the entire trend itself is a double bottom. And if there is a breakout, if there is a further breakout beyond $20, it will be considered as a new start, or a new start of a new trend which has actually happened, but it was a false breakout. So next time when the stock moves beyond $20, and if it sustains, hopefully if it will sustain next time, so the next target that we're gonna look at will at least be, so if I may calculate the lower end as well as the upper end of the range, it is saying 1300%. So if this time if the stock sustains above $20, so a 1350% worth of move will give me a target, or a long-term target, which is as high as or in between $240 and $250. Now this is a long-term target, so you have to wait for a couple of months to couple of years depending upon how the stock is going to move. But this is what we are looking at, and because the stock is very near to its long-term resistance, so we will wait for the breakout to happen, and hopefully if it happens this time, we are good to go for a big move. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.